Hello, it's Jay here and welcome to another tutorial. In our last lesson we set up our enemy game object, and here he is in our scene. Now for the purposes of this series I'm just going to use legacy animations. It's what I'm used to personally. I'm a fairly old school programmer and yours may not be set to legacy as default, so if they're not, whichever game object you're using, there's two ways to actually fix this problem. If we click on the little prefab where we imported here and we come to the rig option, as you can see where it says animation type, there is a drop down selector, and if yours is not already set to legacy you can do it here, and this should suffice for the majority of you. But depending on how your animations were created for your enemy, you may find that this is not working. Now there is a second way of doing it and I'm going to show you that now. And what I've done is I've put a second cube in my scene here and I've created an animation for it, but it is not set to legacy. So let's hit play and see what happens. As you can see, nothing happens, and if we come to console we have an error. So we can fix that quite easily. Here's the animation I created here. Now if we come just to the side of the padlock here to this little drop down menu and come to debug, as you can see we now have an option to select to legacy here, which is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to select it there. We don't need to do anything else. We can just come here and switch back to normal. We'll come to the console and we'll clear the errors. Now if this has worked in setting this animation to legacy, this cube should now bounce when I hit play. So let's do that. We'll hit play there, and as you can see the animation now plays. So if any of you are having issues with setting to legacy, there's another way you can do it. So I hope this has been helpful. Please go ahead and, as I said, regardless of what model you're using, set your animations to legacy, and then once we've done that we can just take our enemy game object as it's set up in the hierarchy and drag it into our prefabs folder, and this is the prefab we'll be using from now on when we want to drag more enemies into the scene. So we'll leave it there for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see you next time, and until then, bye for now.